Next is equivalent fractions. Now, which fractions are said to be equivalent? Whose simplest forms are same, like 3 upon 2. This is one fraction. And one we have 9 upon 6. And one we have 15 upon 10. We have these three fractions. Now, this fraction is in the simplest form. Now, what do you mean by simplest form? There is no common factor other than 1. That you can't simplify this fraction more. So, this is 9 by 6. There is one more common factor, that is 3. We can simplify this fraction. It can be written as 3 upon 2. Again 15 by 10. We have one more common factor, that is 5. So we'll simplify this fraction and it will be 3 upon 2. How to find equivalent fractions? You are given a fraction 3 by 7. You have to find 4 equivalent fractions of 3 by 7. How will you find them? Now, you will multiply this fraction by different numbers. Now, while multiplying a fraction, you have to keep this thing in mind, that if you are multiplying numerator by 2, you have to multiply denominator also by 2. That numerator and denominator will be multiplied by a same number to find the equivalent fractions. So 3 into 2 is 6, 7 into 2 is 14. This is first equivalent fraction. Now you have to find 4. So 3 by 7 into 3 by 3 you can take 9 by 21. 3 by 7 into, you can take any number. You can even take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100. Any number you can take. But you have to multiply numerator and denominator by that same number. So it will be 30 upon 70 and so on. Size 7.3. First question is, you have to write the fractions and see whether they are equivalent or not. So it's a very simple question. You can do it yourself. Write down 4 fractions of, like A part, write down 4 fractions and then you have to check whether they are equivalent or not. Second question also you will do it yourself. Third question, replace the box in each of the following by a correct number. Like A part is 2 by 7 is equals to 8 by blank. You have to fill this blank. Now we know that these two fractions are equal, है ना? So it means you have to write equivalent fraction here. So 2, here numerator is 2, here numerator is 8. So it means by which number will multiply 2 to get 8? 4. So 2 will be multiplied by 4 to get 8. Now I told you that if you are multiplying numerator by 4, you have to multiply denominator also. So you will multiply denominator also. So 7 into 4 will be 28. So this missing number is 28. I am doing one more part. 5 by 8 is equals to 10 upon blank. So now 5, you have to multiply 5 by 2 to get 10. So you have to multiply 8 also by 2. So it will be 10 upon 8 2s are 16. So answer is 16. So you'll do the rest of the parts yourself. Find the equivalent fraction of 3 by 5 having denominator 20. Denominator should be 20. So 3 by 5, you can multiply 3 by 5 by any number to get an equivalent fraction. But in the question they have written denominator should be 20. So it means we have to multiply 5 by 4 to get 20. Now if I am multiplying denominator, so I have to multiply numerator also by 4. So 3 into 4 will be 12. So answer is 12 by 20. Now B part, numerator 9. Numerator should be 9. So 3 by 5 into, by which number I have to multiply 3 to get 9? 3. So if I multiply numerator by 3, I have to multiply denominator also. So 5 into 3 will be 15. So in fifth question, fraction is given 36 by 48. You have to find equivalent fraction with the numerator 9. Now, first you have to convert it into simplest form. To convert this fraction into simplest form, first you have to do the cutting. So 36 by 48 can be written as 3 by 4. So this is the simplest form. Now you have to find equivalent fraction with numerator 9. So 3 by 4 into, you will multiply by which number? 3. So it will be 9 by 12. This is the answer. Do the next part yourself. Even fractions are equivalent or not, you have to convert them into simplest form and check. Like 5 by 9 and 30 by 54. 5 by 9 is in simplest form. Convert this fraction into simplest form. 30 by 54. So it will be yes, these two are equivalent. Now 7th question you will do yourself in book itself. 8th question. Now Ramesh had 20 pencils, Sheelu had 50 and Jamal had 80. After 4 months, Ramesh used up 10, Sheila used up 25 and Jamal used up 40. So what fraction did each use up? Now for Ramesh, total number of pencils he has is 20. So you will write 20 in the denominator. And the number of pencils he used up 10. So you will write 10 in numerator. So simplest form will be 1 upon 2. For Sheelu, total number of pencils you have to write in denominator, that is 50, and used up pencils in numerator, that is 25. So simplify them, you will get 1 by 2. Jamal, total number of pencils are 80, used up pencils 40. So the simplest form will be 1 by 2. Each has used up an equal fraction of their pencils. Yes. Like fractions and unlike fractions. Now like fractions are those fractions whose denominators are same. Like 4 by 10, 6 by 10. Their denominators are same. So these fractions are known as like fractions. Unlike fractions like 4 by 9, 3 by 6. In these two fractions, denominators are different. So these fractions are unlike fractions. Now comparing the fractions, like if you have to tell that which fraction is greater and which one is smaller. So to compare the fractions should be like fractions. So if you have to compare the fractions, let's say we have to compare these two fractions. These two are like fractions. We have to tell which one is greater and which one is smaller. Now denominators are same. It means you just have to compare the numerators of the fractions. So 4 is less than 6. We know that. So it means 4 by 10 will be less than 6 by 10. Next, if we have to compare the unlike fractions like 4 by 9 and 3 by 6. Now in these two fractions, denominators are also different and numerators are also different. So how will you compare these fractions? First you will convert them into like fractions. So for converting them into like fractions, you have to make their denominator same. So to convert these fractions into like fractions, what you can do is you can take out the LCM of both the denominators. LCM of 9 and 6 will be start from 2, 3, 1, 3, 1. So it will be 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So LCM is 18. So it means you have to make the denominator 18 by finding the equivalent fractions. So by which number you will multiply 9 to get 18? 2. So you will multiply numerator also by 2. So 4 2s are 8. 3 by 6. You have to find the equivalent fraction with denominator 18. So multiply it by 3. So 3 3s are 9. So we have two fractions, 8 by 18 and 9 by 18. Now these two are like fractions. So now you can compare the numerators. 8 is less than 9. Therefore 8 by 18 will be less than 9 by 18. अब 8 by 18 किसकी जगह लिखा था? 4 by 9 is less than 3 by 6. So second question, compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. So I am doing the B part. B part is 1 by 7, 1 by 4. Now other parts are like fractions. You can just compare the numerator. But this B part, this is unlike fraction. So first you will convert them into like fractions. So LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. So 1 by 7 is equals to 4 by 28 and 1 by 4 is equals to 7 by 28. Now you have to compare 7 by 28 and 4 by 28. 4 is less than 7. So this fraction will be less than this fraction. So answer will be this. Sixth question, again you have to compare the fractions. So if they are like fractions, just compare the numerators, and if they are unlike fractions, so first convert them into like fractions. So I am doing first part, 1 by 2, 1 by 5. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. So 1 by 2 can be written as 5 by 10. 1 by 5 can be written as 2 by 10. So 5 by 10, 2 by 10. 5 is greater than 2. Therefore 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Ninth question. Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages and Lalita read 1 by 2 of the same book, who read less. Now one fraction is given for Lalita, but for Ela no fraction is given. So first you have to find out the fraction. Total number of pages are given 100 and pages read by Ela is 25. So fraction will be 25 by 100. So after simplifying you will get 1 upon 4. So Ela's fraction is 1 by 4 and Lalita's fraction is 1 by 2. Now you have to compare both the fractions. So these two are unlike fractions. So first convert them into like fractions. LCM of 4 and 2 is 4. So 1 by 4 will be multiplied by 1 by 1. So it will be 1 by 4. And 1 by 2 will be multiplied by 2 by 2 to get 2 by 4. Now 1 by 4 is less than 2 by 4, right? So it means 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. Therefore Ela read less. 10th question you will do it yourself. बिल्कुल same है. Now 11th question, in a class A of 25 students, 20 passed in first class. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed in first class. In which class were there more fraction of students getting first class? So class A, total students are 25 and students passing in first class is 20. So fraction will be 20 upon 25. After simplifying, it will be 4 upon 5. For class B, total number of students are 30 and students passing in first class are 24. So what will be the fraction? Fraction will be 24 upon 30. Again simplify this, it will be 4 by 5. So you have to tell in which class were there more fraction of students getting first class. Now both the fractions are coming same. So the fraction is same. So means fraction of students getting first class is same in both the classes.